Welcome to the channel. In this video, we discuss color matching and how I was able to color match this backsplash with these cabinets at my dad and bonus mom's house. So the first thing I did is I took a scrap piece off the board that I was using and I tried all of the different stains and all of the different finishes that I had, tried applying some heavier, some lighter, multiple coats, less coats. Then I took that over to their house to compare it to the cabinets to see what matched the closest to get us off on the right track. None of the ones that I had really matched, so I went to Menards and Home Depot. I picked up more stains and I picked up more finishes to see if we can get the color closer and the finish closer to the look of the cabinets. I did the same thing. I took a scrap piece out of the same board that I was using, taped everything off so I can stay organized, and I applied all of the different stains. I then went back to their house, held it up to the cabinets, and we finally nailed down the stain that we wanted with the top coat that we wanted. The only difference is I needed to make that stain slightly darker. So all I did is I wiped the stain on and I let it sit a little bit longer than I did before, and then I wiped it off. And then as you can see, in my opinion, it is almost a perfect match. Unfortunately though, when we put it on the backsplash under those LED lights, it looks brighter. But I promise you it is a match and I am very happy with the results. So are my dad and bonus mom. Now I know that this was a quick video, but really when it comes down to color matching, it's just trial and error. You've got to try different stains, whether you apply them heavy or light, different finishes, single coats, multiple coats, so on and so forth until you find the match. Now if you are in the cabinet industry or go to craft shows or something like that, color matching will get easier because I now have a board of hickory that can tell me what the different stains are, and if I ever need to color match again, I can just take this, hold it up to whatever the item is, and know that's most likely what it's going to look like. The other thing that you can do too is get one of these stain boards. Now this is with pine, so if I'm ever going to restore anything with pine, I now know what all of these different stains look like in pine. But honestly, I'm most likely not going to color match a lot, so I'm not going to stress on it. But any of you guys that have done a lot of color matching, or you are in that industry of restoring furniture or restoring pieces of furniture to get it to match, please let people know if you have a better method down below versus just trial and error. Also let people know if it does get easier after you've done it a few times because you start being able to just look at something and be like, oh yeah, it's X, Y, and Z. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, any comments, anything like that, feel free to let us know down below, and have a good day.